During the previous phases, we emphasized on deepening the understanding of users and their world and limited teams' focus on idea generation. But having a comprehensive understanding of our users through detailed personas and customer journeys, now it is time to unleash our imagination and explore endless possibilities. In ideation phase, we encourage creativity and divergent thinking to generate ideas without being concerned about their feasibility or viability. The primary objective is to build a pool of potential solutions that can later be refined and evaluated. In this phase, every idea, no matter how unconventional or far-fetched, holds value and should be captured and considered. Often the most remarkable solutions arise from unexpected sources, and even seemingly unrelated ideas can spark breakthroughs and innovative solutions. To create an optimal environment for ideation, it is crucial to cultivate a creative and open atmosphere that nurtures free thinking, risk-taking, and experimentation. An essential element is establishing an atmosphere of trust where all team members feel comfortable sharing their ideas and actively contributing to the process. This can be achieved by setting clear ground rules for ideation, such as not judging or criticizing others' ideas. Every idea is good because it serves as an inspiration. Expanding others' ideas to foster collaboration and creativity, encouraging the exploration of unconventional and crazy ideas to unlock innovative solutions. Striving for a high quantity of ideas, the more ideas generated, the greater the chances of uncovering valuable insights. Focusing on fragments or specific details of a solution rather than solely on the complete picture. Keeping the persona and their needs in mind. Promoting open communication while respecting others' speaking terms and avoiding interruptions. Different brainstorming techniques maintain engagement throughout the ideation process. By keeping the brainstorming sessions dynamic and changing things up, participants are more likely to stay energized and generate more and wilder ideas. The main purpose of brainstorming is generating a lot of ideas. It values quantity over quality, understanding that each individual is distinct and may require a different brainstorming method to unlock their full potential. There are many brainstorming methods to choose from. Facilitator chooses the ones that are best suited for the group and have the potential to succeed. For this course, we have selected following methods. Brainwriting, as an individual technique, serves as an excellent kickstart to an ideation session. At the start, participants bring forth ideas that have emerged during previous phases, often consisting of ordinary concepts rather than revolutionary or wild ones. However, these initial ideas can serve as an inspiration for others to approach them from different perspectives and generate more unconventional ideas. Another advantage of employing brainwriting is its ability to involve introverted individuals who may otherwise keep their ideas to themselves, fearing judgment or dismissal, though judgment is not allowed in this context. Despite initial appearances, brainwriting can yield a substantial number of ideas. The 6-3-5 brainwriting method, for instance, can generate up to 18 ideas per team member. This implies that a team of 6 members will gather 108 ideas right at the beginning of the ideation phase. Heaven and Hell is an ideal brainstorming technique for shifting perspectives and encouraging creative thinking and imagination. This technique is based on reverse brainstorming and starts by switching the question from how can we help our user to how can we make the life of our user even worse. Team starts with generating hell ideas. By reversing the question, we might identify its root cause and get fresh and more bold ideas. Once the list of potential hell ideas is created, team reframes them into positive solutions, such as heaven ideas. Even if they are not feasible, may inspire the team later to novel and innovative solutions that can be implemented. The Lotus Blossom technique is a valuable tool for expanding and exploring ideas in greater detail. By placing emphasis on a chosen existing idea at the center of the blossom, it allows the team to dive into the concept from various perspectives and generate new ideas that enhance its relevance, innovation, and feasibility. Additionally, each blossom can be enriched with 9 additional extending ideas, although teams have the freedom to generate more if desired. After generating numerous one-post-it-sized ideas that address user needs and frustrations but cannot be called solutions, round-robin technique serves as a suitable method to approach a complete solution. Typically employed towards the end of the brainstorming stage within the ideation phase, round-robin brings the team closer to a final idea. In round-robin, each team member selects the most intriguing ideas with the highest potential from their perspective and introduces a sophisticated idea that builds upon or draws inspiration from the selected ones. The round-robin is then passed to the next team member in a clockwise manner to provide constructive critique of the idea. Finally, the third team member refines the idea based on the previous input and critique, thus concluding the technique. This process results in several refined ideas. If there are still interesting and potentially valuable individual ideas remaining on the wall, the team can double the number of refined ideas by conducting a second round of the exercise. Ultimately, the team votes to determine the most relevant and innovative ideas that show the highest potential for user acceptance and provide significant value to both users and sponsors. Idea napkin technique serves as a bridge between brainstorming and concept creation, refining selecting ideas and transforming them into detailed visual representations. By sketching the concept, the team gains a better understanding of how users will interact with the proposed product, enabling them to address various aspects of the solution, such as processes, environment, and technology. Additionally, Idea Napkin aids in verifying whether the proposed solution effectively meets the defined needs of the persona for whom it is being developed. It also assists in preparing persuasive arguments and key performance indicators for stakeholders, explaining why they should approve the progression of the solution into the next stage of including design thinking, prototyping, and testing. The visual format, often resembling a low-fidelity prototype, allows everyone to visualize and comprehend the functionality of the proposed solution more effectively. The ideation phase has been a dynamic and productive stage where we have generated a wide range of ideas and explored innovative possibilities. With the sponsor's approval, we are now ready to progress to refining and testing the chosen solution based on users' feedback, paving the way for a successful implementation and impactful outcome.